All right, so we're going to do the 1-1 work together. Let me just a second. And remember, as we're stepping through this, this is one of those minor assignments. So as we're going through it, make sure, I mean, you could be taking care of that assignment at the same time. That's the whole purpose of it. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and start the assignment. Get this out the way. All right. So it says Megan Finder is a recent, let me make that a little larger. She's a recent college graduate. She's applying for her first credit card. The creditor has asked for a personal net worth statement, and then it tells us some of the things that she has. So first of all, we're just going to select, remember, the name of the company, or because this is a personal deal, the name of the person goes first. Then the second line is going to be what kind of report is this? It's the net worth statement. Because it's the net worth statement, we're looking at a specific date and time. So the current date is what we want to put in. Okay. Now, our first line, we have our assets. I'm just going to label these. Then we have our liabilities. And then we have our, I think, let's see, is it just called net worth? Yeah, net worth. That's what we have. Okay. Remember, assets are everything that we own. Liabilities are things that we owe. So they say she has $800 in her checking account. What is that going to be? Asset or a liability? Asset. She owns a scooter worth $2,000. What is that going to be? Asset. She owes JC Auto 920. So since she owes, that's going to be a liability. She also owes River College 125. So for assets, we have checking account. Well, let's see what it wants. Maybe they just want that to be cash. They do. So we're going to say cash of $800. We're going to say scooter, $2,000. So her total assets is $2,800. For liabilities, what did we say? We said River College, or JC Auto was first. So JC Auto, and that was for 920. Then we had River College, which was for 125. So that should be total liabilities of, what would that be, 1,045. And so her net worth would be the difference. So that's going to be 1,755. And so now you could, if you wanted to, you could just hit submit, or we could hit save. I just like to hit save just so that way it's there. Say submit, say yes, and we see we got 100 on it. Okay. What questions do we have over that? Remember, big thing to remember, assets are things that you own that add value. Your liabilities are going to be things that you owe. And your personal net worth, which when we get to the business side of things is going to be referred to as our equity, that's going to be the difference between that. Because the accounting equation is assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Okay, and so we'll get into that a little bit more. But assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. That's our accounting equation. Okay. You guys have time to work. And again, as you work, you can just hit the X button and close that. You can come down. If you need to retake it again, hit retake assignment. But now the thing that you need to do that's 60% is you need to do the application problem, 1-1, which is going to be set up very similarly. They're just going to give you the information over here to the right as far as the question assets that you need.